Have you ever wondered how to generate income by selling YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr using Canva? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore an exciting opportunity that combines the art of visual design with the world of digital entrepreneurship. We'll be diving into how you can use Canva, a simple yet powerful design platform, to create engaging YouTube thumbnails. Canva's user-friendly interface and cost-effective features make it an ideal tool for anyone, regardless of their design experience. And once you've created these captivating thumbnails, we'll guide you on how to sell them on Fiverr, an online marketplace for freelance services. This method can provide a substantial income stream, all from the comfort of your own home. So whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just starting out, this opportunity is for everyone. Stay tuned to discover an easy step-by-step guide on how to utilize Canva for creating YouTube thumbnails and make money by selling them on Fiverr. So what exactly is Canva and why should you use it for creating YouTube thumbnails? Well, let's dive right into it. Canva is a web-based design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals without needing any technical design skills. Think of it as a digital canvas, where you can paint your ideas with a myriad of design elements, colors, and fonts. Now, one of the key features of Canva is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their design experience. You can drag and drop elements, change colors, and adjust fonts with just a few clicks. It's as simple as that. But what sets Canva apart from other design tools is its vast library of templates. From social media posts to presentations, Canva offers a plethora of pre-designed templates that you can customize to your liking. And yes, that includes YouTube thumbnails. Now, why should you use Canva for creating YouTube thumbnails? Well, the answer is simple. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see when they come across your video. It's your chance to make a strong first impression and entice viewers to click on your video. And with Canva, you can create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out in the sea of videos on YouTube. Canva's thumbnails templates are designed by professionals, ensuring that they follow the best design practices. They're also fully customizable, allowing you to infuse your brand's personality into your thumbnails. You can change the colors to match your brand's palette, add your logo, and tweak the design elements to create a thumbnail that's uniquely yours. But perhaps the greatest advantage of using Canva is its affordability. Canva offers a free version that comes with a vast selection of free templates, images, and design elements. And if you want to unlock more features, you can upgrade to Canva Pro at a reasonable price. So, whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete novice, Canva empowers you to create professional quality designs with ease and efficiency. With Canva, creating professional quality YouTube thumbnails is a breeze. Now let's dive into how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Creating a YouTube thumbnail on Canva is a breeze, even if you're not a design expert. The first thing you need to do is head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see a homepage filled with design options. Look for the Create a Design button on the right side of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, select Custom Dimensions, and enter the ideal thumbnail dimensions, which are 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. Now comes the fun part, choosing a template. Canva offers an array of templates specifically designed for YouTube thumbnails. Scroll through the collection and find one that catches your eye. Remember, your thumbnail is the first impression viewers will have of your video, so choose a template that is eye-catching and relevant to your video's content. Once you've selected your template, it's time to customize it. Canva allows you to change every element of the template. You can tweak the colors, fonts, and images to match your brand and video content. To change an element, simply click on it and a menu will appear with options to adjust the color, size, font, and more. You can also add elements like shapes, lines, and even your own images or logos by using the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Next, you'll want to add your video's title to the thumbnail. Click on the text box in the template and type in your title. Make sure it's clear, compelling, and easy to read even at a smaller size. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment of the text to make it stand out. Finally, you'll want to make sure your thumbnail looks good at all sizes. Use Canva's preview feature to see how your thumbnail will look at various sizes. This is important because your thumbnail will be viewed at different sizes depending on the device it's being viewed on. When you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click the download button at the top of the screen and choose the PNG option for the best quality. Remember to name your file something relevant so you can easily find it later. The best part about Canva is that you can save your designs, so if you need to create similar thumbnails in the future, you can simply duplicate your design and adjust as necessary. It's a real time saver, and there you have it. A stunning YouTube thumbnail created on Canva in just a few simple steps. With practice, you'll be whipping up professional-looking thumbnails in no time. Remember, the key is to make your thumbnails eye-catching and relevant to your video content. Happy designing! You've created your YouTube thumbnail. Now how do you go about selling it on Fiverr? Well, let's dive right in. The first step in this process is setting up a Fiverr account. It's a fairly straightforward process. Just head over to Fiverr's official website, click on Join at the top right corner, and fill in your details. You can sign up using your email, Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Then you'll be asked to choose a username and password. Remember, your username will be your brand name on Fiverr, so choose wisely. Once your account is set up, it's time to create a gig. To do that, click on Switch to Selling on the top right corner of the screen, then click on Gigs. Now click on Create a new gig. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of creating a successful gig. First, you'll need to specify your service type. In this case, it's graphic design and then social media design. Then you'll need to describe your gig. Here's where you'll want to be as detailed as possible about the services you're offering. Are you providing one thumbnail design or multiple options? Will you offer revisions? What's your turnaround time? The more details you provide, the easier it will be for potential buyers to understand what they're getting. Next, choose your pricing package. Fiverr allows you to offer 3 different pricing packages: basic, standard, and premium. Consider what each package will include and set your prices accordingly. Remember, you can always adjust your prices later based on the market response. Now it's time to add some tags. Tags are keywords that help potential buyers find your gig when they're searching for a particular service. Think about what terms your potential clients might use to find a service like yours. YouTube thumbnail, social media design, graphic design are some examples. The final step is to add a gig photo. This should be a representation of your work, so choose a thumbnail design that you're particularly proud of. But creating a gig is just the beginning. To be successful, you'll need to market your gig. Share it on your social media platforms, tell your friends, and network with others in the design community. And don't forget about customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, be professional, and always deliver your work on time. A happy customer is a repeat customer and may also leave a positive review, which can boost your visibility on Fiverr. Remember, success on Fiverr doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and consistency. But with time and effort, you can build a profitable business selling YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr. With a well-crafted gig, your YouTube thumbnails are now ready for sale on Fiverr. Want to maximize your earnings on Fiverr? Here are some tips for success. First off, consider offering packages. Instead of selling a single thumbnail, why not bundle your services? You could offer a basic package of 1 thumbnail, a standard package of 3, and a premium package of 5 or more. Not only does this give customers more options to choose from, it also increases your potential earnings. Secondly, make customer service a priority. Understand that every client is unique with different needs and expectations. Be open to feedback and always strive to exceed your client's expectations. Respond to inquiries promptly, be professional and friendly, and deliver your work on time. A satisfied customer is more likely to return and recommend your services to others. Thirdly, stay updated with YouTube's latest trends. Thumbnails are the first thing a viewer sees, so they need to be eye-catching and relevant. Take the time to research popular trends and incorporate them into your designs. Whether it's a trending color scheme, font style, or image, being in the know can give you an edge over your competitors. In addition to these tips, focus on building a strong portfolio. Showcase a variety of thumbnails that highlight your versatility and creativity. Remember, a well-rounded portfolio attracts a wider range of clients. Also, don't shy away from promoting your services. Use social media to your advantage. Share your work on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. You never know who might see your post and need your services. Furthermore, consider learning new skills or improving your current ones. Canva offers a plethora of design tools, so why not explore them? The more skills you possess, the more valuable you become to potential clients. Last but not least, always maintain a positive attitude. There will be times when things don't go as planned. You might encounter difficult clients or face rejection, but remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. keep pushing, keep learning, and never quit. In conclusion, success on Fiverr doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of perseverance. But with the right approach, you can turn your passion for design into a profitable business. Remember, every successful seller on Fiverr started exactly where you are now. They had to learn, make mistakes, and grow. And just like them, you too can achieve success. By applying these tips, you can increase your chances of success on Fiverr. So, are you ready to start making money by selling YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr using Canva? Now that we've journeyed through the basics of Canva, the process of creating a compelling YouTube thumbnail, and the pathway to selling your creations on Fiverr, it's time to take a breath and recap the key points we've discussed. Firstly, we dove into the world of Canva, a versatile online designing tool that's as user-friendly as it is effective. We explored its wide array of features and templates that make designing a piece of cake, even for beginners. Remember, practice is key. The more you tinker around with Canva, the more comfortable you'll get, and the better your designs will become. Next, we ventured into the craft of creating a YouTube thumbnail. We've learned that a thumbnail is more than just a static image. It's a creative billboard that invites viewers to click and watch. It's an art form that combines compelling visuals, clear typography, and strategic use of color. All these elements work together to create a thumbnail that stands out in a sea of content. Then, we navigated the bustling marketplace of Fiverr, where creative talents meet eager clients. We've discussed how to set up your gig, how to price your services, and how to engage with potential clients. Remember, professionalism and quality service go a long way in building a reputable brand on Fiverr. Lastly, we shared a few tips for success. Consistency, patience, and continuous learning are your allies in this journey. Stay updated with design trends, keep refining your skills, and never stop creating. With all these tools and insights, you are well equipped to start your venture into selling YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr. It's a wonderful opportunity to monetize your creative skills while providing a valuable service to content creators. Remember, with Canva and Fiverr, the potential to earn is right at your fingertips. So start creating and start selling.